Of course, in the middle of recording, my memory card would fill up. In today's video, you're going to learn how to get referrals with social media. With past clients, it's always important that you stay top of mind whenever it comes to them possibly referring you to somebody else. So imagine, let's say you are a boat salesman and your past client is like talking to his old cousin Joe, and cousin Joe's like,
I want to buy a boat.
Your client is like,
Oh, I had the best boat salesman, but I can't really remember what his name is. So maybe I can go home and look at my paperwork or something and yeah.
You think he's probably not going to go home and pull out all of his boat paperwork and find. So it's important to stay top of mind so that they know who you are when that moment approaches to possibly get a referral. You can use social media to do this. So first off, you have to find out where your past clients actually hang out. So that should be where you're performing your social media strategy in general. So that could be LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, maybe they're on Facebook. It just kind of depends on your target audience and your clients. So after you find out where they are, there's a couple of different ways you can get your contacts to your email contacts or phone numbers to your social media. You can actually, a lot of the platforms have it to where you can just completely upload your contact list, upload all of your past clients, and then after you have them all on there, you need to have a strategy in place. So you need two different strategies. So content strategy, you need to have a strategy in place. That way they are seeing you in your newsfeed. So this could be different on different platforms. Like with Snapchat, you're going to want to have something going every single day, whether it's a snippet of your day, a snippet of your actual day, a quote, maybe it's you working or something like that. With LinkedIn, it could be a content strategy where you post an article every maybe once a week. It just depends on what platform you're on and what you are trying to achieve staying in front of these past clients. So other than a content strategy to get seen in the news feed, you also want an engagement strategy. So that is so that you pop up in these past clients' notifications so that they're, like I said, top of mind. So this could be sending them a message, commenting on past posts. This could also mean replying to a story. It could be just liking a Facebook post. You just want them to see your name. All right, so today you learned how to get referrals with social media and stay top of mind in with your past clients. Next week, I am having a giveaway. A week from today, it's October 23rd. I'm having a giveaway on the channel. I'm giving away a book and also a $25 Amazon gift card. So be sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I teach people about marketing and help you with your business. I will see y'all next week. Oh my goodness, there's a donkey in the yard.